Hey there! Today I'll show you how to make windows in SketchUp. First, select the wall or the face you want. Make a square for the opening with dimensions of your choice. Then select the square you made and select the push/pull tool and push inward to create the opening. Once you made the opening, you could go to 3D Warehouse and download a window of your choice. Now I have downloaded the window, but I don't want the model next to it. So I'm going to simply select and delete. Now, move the window to the opening you made. You can see it's not same dimensions as the opening, so we're going to scale it so it fits. Now it fits perfectly, but it's on the exterior, and we want the window on the midpoint. So simply just select and move the window to the midpoint/center line. And you are done. Congrats!